Oh my goodness! Look at this terminal! Every bus is canceled except one, and I need to be on it. I need a ticket right now. I need to check the departure board immediately. This is the departure board. It shows all buses, their destinations. I have a few tickets left. Let's go. There is the ticket window. That is where you buy your bus ticket. Ticket window, remember that phrase. I need to move fast. A queue means a line of people waiting. I must join the queue immediately. I am almost at the ticket window. Just 2 more people in front of me. I can see the counter says only 3 remaining. 1 ticket means where you state your destination clearly. Route 22 to Atlanta. Final call for ticket purchase. 1 ticket to Atlanta, please. Route 22. 1 way, please. Aisle, please. These are essential vocabulary words. That is because of surge pricing. Surge pricing means the price goes up. My payment went through. I paid it. I have my ticket. Let me teach you every part of a bus ticket. Boarding pass, the scanner's this to let me on the document, all the same thing. Keep it safe. Attention passengers. Route 22's. Route 22 to Atlanta is the final operating service today. Okay, I am in the queue. In English, the line of called a queue. Excuse me, could you tell me if there are still seats available on Route 22? Available means free or open for use. Route is the journey number. This man is asking me for help. I can hear the desperation in his voice. Use phrases like these to show empathy. I am really sorry, I only have 1 ticket. The information desk. Even in a crisis, we use polite phrases. Someone I say, being polite in English, even when everything is chaotic. Excuse me, I need to find gate 7. I am following the signs. These are directional signs overhead. Overhead means above you. I am checking the terminal map. The gate 7. I made it to gate 7. This is the boarding queue. Orderly means organized and controlled. Coach is another word for a long. This is the luggage compartment. The driver loads bags into the hold. I have my carry-on bag. Larger items go above your seat. The scanner approved my ticket. The green light means go, the red light means stop. Approved means accepted and confirmed. The gate agent says, enjoy your journey. I am inside the coach now. Interior means the inside. This central walkway between the seats is the aisle. I can see my row 14, just ahead. There seems to be a misunderstanding. Excuse me, but I believe you are in my assigned seat. My ticket shows seat 14B, so let us resolve this calmly. This is how we handle conflicts. He checked his ticket. His seat is 14D.
It was a mistake.
I say, no problem. It shows grace. Standby means waiting for a seat. A no-show did not come. But every seat is filled. Fully booked means completely full. The coach is departing. Departing means leaving. We are pulling out of the bus bay. I am on board. We are on the road. The journey has begun. I am thinking about what happened today. It was a complete transit crisis. Top phrases from today. 1. Are there any seats available? 2. I'd like to purchase 1 ticket to Atlanta, please. 1 way or return? Top 5 transit terms. Number 5. 4. Overbooked. Too many tickets sold. 3. Departure. Know these 5 words? Works for all types of transport. Departure, destination, and canceled apply to all. Both buses' ends have gates and complete vocabulary review. Everything from today. Terminal, station, assigned, station. You have mastered it. Every single one. Transit review. Buying a ticket. Boarding the bus. On the bus. Crisis vocabulary. Write these down. Let me teach you conditional sentences using what just happened to me and their results. If means the condition. Quick grammar recap using today's story. Past simple for finished actions. When, present perfect looks at result. Let me teach you negotiation language. At the polite level, could you possibly help me? Urgent level, we escalate in firmness but always in respect. Numbers in travel English are very. The time 14:45 is 2:14B. We say C's numbers could save your journey. Your survival kit. 1. My ticket was not accepted. The bus is overbooked. I missed my connection. 4. Can I get a refund? Screen. I want to hear from you now. Have you ever been in a travel emergency? Maybe you missed a flight or a train was canceled.
We have arrived.
Arrived means reached our destination. We made it.
And that's our lesson. Emily survived the transit crisis, and so did you. This is Real English for Real Journeys. Please like and